Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In the previous sessions we had discussed what is regular expression, how to import the regular expression module into our Python programming, what are the functions that are available in regular expression, what are the meta characters and special sequences present in the regular expressions along with examples. Now we will move to the concepts of sets in regular expression. First of all, what is a set? Simply, a set is a set of characters. Set is a set of characters inside a square brackets. Inside a square brackets is called set. Set is a set of characters that are placed inside square bracket. Now we will discuss what are the elements that are present in sets. This one. Suppose here we can write any characters. For example, A, some K, some F. What is some N? Okay. What is the meaning of this one? In every case returns a match. Remember, returns a match. In this case, at least one of the specified character is present. Simply it returns a match if the specified character is present, that is if the string contains either A or K or N. If anything is present, any single character either A or K or N, the corresponding matches are written. See an example. So first step is we have to import the module RE, read a string S1 is equal to hello, how are you? Okay, this is my string. Now some x is equal to re dot find all A. So what is my example? My example is A K N. The meaning is in the string it searches for A or K or N. Check in the string S1, print of X. Execute this code. See, in the given string A is present. For example, I am writing R also. Now see the output. The given string contains A and R. For example, I am writing O also. The given string contains O. So all the matches. Okay, you got it? Simply this within the bracket we are writing a pattern. It identifies all the characters. That is, if there is a match, the characters are written. So see this one. First O is available. That is how it is handled. First H is taken. H is compared with A or O. If there is a match, return. If there is no match, move to the next letter E. E is not equal to either A or R or O. Next to L, next to O. So O is equal to this one. That is simply a logical OR case. If the character is equal to A, or the character is equal to R, or the character is equal to 1. If any one match occurs, simply returns the corresponding match. Here we can write anything. Here we can write any characters. That is simply to check whether the given characters are present in the string or not. Okay. And the next one is A hyphen some L. What is the meaning of this one? Returns the characters that are present between A to L. Returns all the characters that are present between A to L. Okay, here we can take any characters. Observe, this is an example. Here we can take any number of characters. So see the example again. Here I am writing like this, A hyphen some M. That is in the given string all the characters that are present between A to M are displayed, including A to M. Remember, see this one, H is between A to M, E, L, L. Here character O is not between A to M, so it is not returned. You got it? Okay, this represents all the characters that are present in the given range, and the next one is this one. Suppose A, K, N. What is the meaning of this one? Exactly, the first one is a match. If at least one match, the corresponding match is returned. But here exactly reverse, except A, K, N. Okay, here either A or K or N present, it returns all these three. It returns only either A, K or N, but it returns other than A, K, N. It returns other than A, K, N. Okay, see the output. See, other than A or O, remaining thing is the output. Okay, got it? Okay, in this first example, checking for this match. If there is a match, returns. In this example also checking for the match. If there is match, does not return. Other than these three, any of these three, it returns the remaining matches, that is the remaining characters. Now next one is 1, 2, 3. Not 1, 2, 3 also. For example, 1, 2, 6. Similar to this one. Here we am using characters. Here I am using digits. That is any matches, that is either 1 is present or 2 is present or 6 is present. Okay, see the example, 3, 2, 5. Suppose I am writing 0, 1, 4. Now what is the output? See the output. Here 0 is not present, 1 is not present, 4 is also not present. Okay, for example, here I am writing this one. See, here 0 is not present, 1 is not present, 2 is present. Okay, this match, that is whenever a match occurs, simply returns. So these two are same. Here we are checking for matching characters, here we are checking for matching digits. In the similar case, here we can write combinations also. 1, 2, 7. That is all the characters between, that is all the digits between 1 and 7. All the digits between 1 and 7. For example, 1, 2, 6. I am writing this one. Suppose 5, 3, 8. See the output. 5 and 3 are displayed, 8 is not displayed. Why? 8 is not present in 1, 2, 6. Okay, you got set meaning? So, this is only these three characters. This is a range. This is except these characters. The same concept applied to digits. Only 3 digits. Only between this range. And one more point is, for example, 1, 5. 1, 5, I can write like this, and within the second parenthesis I can write 3, 7. What is the meaning of this one? It forms a 2-digit number. Remember, it forms a 2-digit number. The numbers are from 13 to 57. That is, it returns a match if the number, that is the string, contains any numbers between 13 to 57. See this one, 1, 3, 13, 5, 7, 57. See an example. For example, here my number is 49. Suppose I am using 58, 3. Okay, now I am writing like this. So what is my example? 1, 2, 5, 3, 2, 7, 1, 2, 5. So first this one specifies the first digit, this one specifies the second digit. So 5 to 3 to 7, 3-7. See the output. The output is the 47. That is, we are allowed from 13 to 15, 7. 13 to 57, 47. But here we have 3. This is a single digit, but we are concentrating on 2 digits number. Suppose if you write one more bracket, that forms a 3 digit number. Okay. Remember, suppose we are considering this case, it consider only the lower case letters. For that purpose, we have some A to Z, capital A to capital Z. That means any characters between small a to small z or capital A to capital Z are returned. Any characters small a to small z, capital A to capital Z are returned. For example, A hyphen L without any commas, without any spaces. A hyphen some M. So I am changing my string with some capital letters. Okay. Implement. See, both capital letters, that is small letters are between small a to L. Capital letters between capital A to capital M are matched. And the last one is plus. Generally, you know that plus is one or more occurrences. But if you are writing any symbol inside this set, that is check for this matching. Observe here, check for this matching between A to L, between 1 to 7, between 13 to 57. The similar fashion, if you are writing plus inside the square bracket, it is simply a normal plus, not one or more occurrences. It is not a meta character. If you write like this, now plus is a meta character. Suppose if you write inside the parentheses, that is in square brackets, then what is the meaning? Check whether plus is present or not. See this one. So the meaning is simply, here plus is not present in the string. Now execute. Here plus is present in the string. Similarly star also, not only plus, not only star, any symbol. If you write inside the square brackets, the meaning is simply checks, not perform any operation. Sets specifies only check whether the given are present in the string or not. Okay. These are the sets that are available in regular expressions. Thank you.